We want to give time to our fitness, but our schedules are so packed that we just can't give out time to our health, to our fitness. Then guess what? Yoga has a solution. Just one asana practice and full body workout, and it takes just 10 minutes a day. We're talking about Surya Namaskar. Yes, it's not just one asana. There are total of 12 asanas in one Surya Namaskar. You do it on the left side and you do it on the right side. When you complete this one round, you get full body workout. Not just strength, it gives you flexibility, it gives you weight loss. So basically one asana, complete workout. You can start with 5 to 6 rounds and go to about 10 to 20 rounds. If you don't have any aches and pains in your body, you can easily do this. And anywhere you can do this. All you need is a yoga mat. It's so easy and it's so effective. Now you can't complain that you cannot go out to gym or any yoga studio to practice. Learn this at home and practice it every single day. And you will have better focus, better energy, better health, better fitness.